नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 4th May 2022. Welcome to my channel Tradeplan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where basic idea is to follow process and be a disciplined trader to achieve a sustainable growth. In this video, I will disclose my trade plan for Nifty for tomorrow's trading session, which is 5th of May 2022, and share my learning and today's trade at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Yesterday, it looks like that market is gonna have a reversal, but then RBI had something else in his pocket, and we could see the impact of that on Nifty today. Whether this downfall will continue or tomorrow we will see some sign of relief. Let's try to diagnose that by looking into some critical parameters of the market. So first, let's have a look into S&P 500. So when we look into S&P 500, S&P 500 as of now is continuing its a reversal and almost forming another green candle, but still below all the major moving average, specifically 20 and 8, and almost now forming like a doji. So definitely in downtrend, but showing some degree of strength. US government 10 bond yield is almost acting uncertain and forming another doji and not actually giving any signal, but overall still continuing its super trend and running parallel to 8 bar and 20 bar moving average. So definitely an uptrend. So which is definitely not a good sign. Dollar index similarly is showing is running parallel to 8 bar moving, parallel to 20 bar moving average, although forming another red bar as compared to red bar yesterday. So this could be some sign of relief for Bank Nifty, but still it is above 8 and 20, so definitely an uptrend. So global cues are very uncertain, uh, and overall theme is weak. So with that in background, let's have a look into key indicator of our market. So when we look into first Reliance, we see that Reliance today had a sharp fall and has taken support on 20 bar moving average now, and it has touched 2693. So let's see if tomorrow whether we see a reversal for Reliance from here or it is breaking 20 bar moving average. Still it is above 20, so it is an uptrend. So now tomorrow is going to be a critical day for Reliance, and Lala Motabai will define in which direction Nifty is growing. So keep a tight eye on Reliance tomorrow. Similarly, HDFC Bank, we see a direct impact of RBI policy, and it has shown a big red bar today and closed below all the moving average. So definitely in downtrend. And same is the story with the Bank Nifty, where we see what happened. Sorry. So Bank Nifty, we see another very big red bar, a direct impact of RBI policy. So Bank Nifty has closed below all the required moving average. So this is also not looking very good. So global markets are not giving a clear signal, and Indian market are showing a direct impact of RBI policy. So they are not looking very good. So with that in background, let's have a look on to Lalaji. When we look into Lalaji, we see that on weekly chart, it is below all the moving average. So definitely not looking very good. On daily chart, it is closed below again all the moving average, that is 20 and 8. Definitely not looking very good. And on 15-minute chart, it is closed below all the moving average. So moving average consistently showing a downtrend. When we look into CPR, we see that tomorrow's CPR is well below today's CPR. So this also shows and gives indication that the market are in downtrend. And when we look into super trail indicator, we see that super trail indicator today exactly at my stop loss value has turned bearish, and on daily chart it was already bearish. So this confirms that the trend is in down, market is in downtrend. So with that in background, let's have a look into SGX. When we look into SGX, currently SGX is running at 16680, which is below tomorrow's pivot, which is at 16812. So for tomorrow, idea is very simple. Idea is if the open is below 16812, then trade plan is sell on rise. Sell on rise anything which is coming closer to 16780 with a stop loss at 16780. If somebody wants, you can have a little bit bigger stop loss of pivot, which is at 16812 for a target of 16400. So for tomorrow, my trade plan is sell on rise towards 16780 for a target of 16400. So what I did today I did not do anything. I was carrying one lot, and when the market went below my stop loss, I didn't take an entry. I do not know why. I was hoping that market will come up at least towards pivot, and then I will enter. And that's where I made a mistake, and I lost the whole game. So I did not trade anything whole day. So what's the learning? Learning is when it's follow the process. As soon as the trade setup gives signal, execute it and use money management to manage your risk. So example, I could have entered here one lot, and if for any chance market was going up, I could have added few more position coming closer to my stop loss, and then taken the whole ride home. But anyways, trade setup is giving a right signal. Idea is to be more focused and more disciplined as a trader. I hope this discussion are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Welcome to all my new followers. I use a very simple trade setup. Please check out my video on my YouTube channel Tradeplan Nifty to know more about my trade setup and many of the reversal pattern which I've discussed there. Stay healthy. Jai Hind.